Look out there. It is raining. And I'm going to go solve this cube. Now, I'm not going to use my U-long because I don't really want to destroy it. Firstly, we have to scramble this. Okay, nice. We are all scrambled up and we are ready to go out. Look at that. Where should I solve it? I don't know what I'm going to do, but I have a rain jacket on in case my parents are watching this. Okay, oh wow. I better not spend too much time figuring out where I want to go. Okay, don't have it. Okay, now I'm just gonna try and, okay, it is wet. I don't know, what else can I say? I didn't have inspection, so just keep that in mind. If you want to, you can go time this. That's completely up to you though, you don't have to. Oh, I'm drenched. It's probably... God. I thought I saw something, never mind. Oh no. Okay, I'm so wet. I gotta get outside. Look how raining it is. And I've even got buckets here. Okay, let's go back. Oh wow, that was nice.